Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm doing the try not to laugh challenge, but with a twist. Um, for every video that I laugh for, I have to do a challenge. The challenge is gonna be on the screen. It's either ice in the pants, eat a hot pepper, or something like that. Let's go. See this already. Like first time I see it, I laugh. So yeah, nice try, but I see it already. Next one.
Why? Ease down, mama. Mama, watch it now, mama. Get the number now. Listen.
Let me see most of them here already.
Come here now. Yeah. You sexy like, boy.
Why, Chris? Again, I see it already. So I'm not laugh.
I don't know nobody. At the end of the day. So I constantly keep the contacts updated, you know. So like right now, the way it thinks that, I have a girl from almost every corporate area.
Yo, them here no. This not funny.
Place where the virus lodge in your throat.
So that's why we can't get you because we stuck with our throat strong.
Yeah, but that not stop you from catching
Yeah, I'm still already. I'm still loud. Yo, that means I forgot to do a challenge. Okay, lime juice. That easy. That's supposed to. Okay, guys. So like how I laugh for that video, I have some lime juice right here. That's supposed to be, no? Like, this good. Ready. No. Okay. It bad like when you first drink it, but it go away like real quick. So plus, okay, I'm not laughing no more. Next video.
When a bitch too clean up froze, they don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat, I keep it drawn. You ain't got no little boy, you a bum. She get me brain, that bitch so dumb. We broke, I ain't had no fun.
Okay.
You know why you are here today?
That never funny. That never funny. It just never funny. Next video.
No, you know, officer. Oh, really? You sure about that? Yes, officer. But the lyrics of your latest song says otherwise.
Them a question me a station, act like me don't know. When them attack me, I laugh in a bro.
You know, we found some rather long rifles when we search your feet, right? Not mine, officer. Oh, really?
Rifle, tall like Eiffel, call it suffocator, bust it boy stifle.
But officer, I just a song that, you know.
Just a song.
It's not just a song, my gun them long. Get it from the Chinese girl, ping pong.
Just to make you know, we did some checks. That rifle was involved in a murder. Listen, officer, I know nothing of no murders, you know. I am a law-abiding citizen. Okay, alright.
Follow which law?
Not even that funny.
Tell you all my kill boy, listen me now.
Not even that funny.
Let's
do our next challenge.
White shirt, red up.
Yo, better than that.
I do not live what I sing about. Did you know live it?
Real life Batman, live when I sing.
You're not even that funny. Yo, next challenge. Okay, so time to pick the next challenge because it seems like I can't stop laugh today. Okay, so lime juice again. As I said, never that bad. Have it right here, so I guess. Okay, I want everybody who watching this and don't subscribe, take a shot with me because what wanna do? Subscribe right now. Just pause the video, pause it. Subscribe. Just scroll down, subscribe. Yeah. Now come back. Ready? Why may I do this? This video was a bad idea. Please, just subscribe. Yeah. Ah. Next video. Early.
Yeah, so I Jamaica with it, right? You understand? And we are flying go over America, right? Right? And we left America, gone over Europe, yeah, so. And then we left Europe, past China, and go Africa, right? That's the key. You have to show me all of that far. Come here and try to show yourself. Come here and try to send you up on the...
Next. Yo, who got the, you know? Nala. Nala. I'm done with that. Okay, so next video. Yo, no. How is this for love, friends? I ask you for funny videos. It's just dark, brother. Next.
Call me another nigga.
Nigger!
Call me another nigga.
Nigger!
Hey, yo, watch this.
You are
Yeah, I saw that ad from Reels. Like, I saw that on Twitter. He sprayed her with Febreze for calling. Yo, some people out there just don't understand what's wrong with them. Why you going to be doing that? And you're in a wheelchair. Yo, next video.
Scared of you. The blood of Jesus is against you. I plead the blood of Jesus. Right now in the name of Jesus. Come out in the name of Jesus. You will never in the name of Jesus.
Almost catch me, but no.
No.
That one almost catch me. Next video.
You know what's going on?
What's happening? What's happening?
Getting at work.
We already in the grind.
Getting at work. You already know how it go.
Give you a little something extra.
Oh yeah, go
Show
ahead.
you everything is possible. Nothing's impossible.
Get him right, coach. Get him right. Get him right, coach.
Coach is not. Shit. Coach was that good. Next challenge. Ready, next challenge. Not going to lime juice again. No. I forgot to eat an onion. I forgot to eat an onion. Okay, let me get the onion. I'm back. I have the onion, and yeah. Obviously I'm not going to eat an entire onion because that's crazy. So yeah, ready. Like that's the word. That's definitely the worst one. That's disgusting. Don't do that. I beg you. Just subscribe. Just eat an onion. That tastes disgusting. Okay, that onion was disgusting. I guess next video.
Next best shot wins.
Somebody get knocked out.
Hit him.
Okay. Girl can swing. Yeah, like that's surprising, but it's not funny.
I'm son.
Lamborghini.
Bruce Wayne. How you doing today? Can I see your pilot's license? I'm gonna need you to step out of the car for me.
Shit. Why am I that not too funny? Okay, picking a forfeit. Lime juice. Drink some more lime juice. Okay, lime juice again. I have a glass. I know this will work. I don't want that much. I don't. After that onion, this is all I'm going to do. Cause, Ready? Subscribe. Whatever. Still so. Still so. But at least it kind of get rid of the onion taste. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so this is the last video I'm going to react to, cause I honestly can't take no more of the forfeits. Just please, let's go. Man, get sleep. Gosh, let me know. What should I get? Like, come here. No man. Why am I laugh? Why am I laugh? I have to do our next forfeit. Okay guys, so this is the last forfeit because for some reason I cannot not laugh. So yeah. on the last one, like I swear I escape this. I swear I Yo, just give me the pepper, call it a day. So I have the pepper right here. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. Okay. Yo, I got some. No. Mistakes were made. My tongue is on fire. I need yogurt. Okay, me get some yogurt. I'm not do that again. Not doing that again. Okay, guys, I thought the onion was bad. That pepper almost killed me. Like, my mouth's still on fire. Like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I try to make videos every week, if not every other week. So just please subscribe. If I get 100 subscribers, I'm gonna try to do this same challenge with my friends. Whoever laugh have to do the forfeit. So yeah, next week